Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Shopify bulk product update. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you have lots of inventory or lots of product on your Shopify online store, you wanted to update all the product in a quick time to save your time and save your cost, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Here I'm going to share the details about bulk updating, especially upload multiple product with one clicks, update product price, also others relevant things within a few minutes or within a few clicks. So it's basically will be very helpful if someone just move or choose their platform from others platform to Shopify, or started business with Shopify, or already has a store on Shopify, and they have no time to update all the product one by one manually. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to start with two popular app. Here is one and here is another. And before start discussing about this app, I want to make you one thing very clear, that is you cannot do this process without app. You must have to use app for bulk product edit or bulk product update, customize or anything. So here I just open two popular app. One's Hackstorm already received 1000 plus review, and another is Avelstar. You see, Avelstar bulk product editor based on United States, popular with store like yours based on United States. Okay, and they have free plan available, and the good things is that it's very updating our new app than Hackstorm. So I hope we'll get more featured on this app. So before that, to discuss about this app, I want to share something about myself. That is, my name is Faisal. I have started my career as a Shopify developer and SEO expert, right now working with AI, and I am uploading video on this YouTube channel relevant Shopify store design, customize and development, also SEO, to rank Shopify store organically for my audience like you. So if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Okay, so now let's go back on the main topic. So here is the Avelstar bulk product editor. First of all, I'm going to open its screenshot to know more details about it so that we can understand. So you see, bulk edit product with or without spreadsheet. That's mean we don't need any spreadsheet. Edit product data, meta field, Google shopping data. This is very amazing that they have added Google shopping data. Avoid error with live previous and one click undoes. This is very important, because if you update your product and is there any error or you face any error, then your store will be totally broken, or your business totally be uncalculated or make some unnecessary problem that you have to fix manually and take too much time. So that's why it's very important feature to undo any error when you see any error on updating process, and go back on the previous version and schedule edit for future. This is also advanced feature. Okay, then complete control over the editing process. Undo edit after a sell, or if you change your mind, preview edit before committing. You see, powerful search with AI assist. That is very compulsory in recent day. You must have to use AI, and they have integrated it. And export product data to spreadsheet. Create a export in Excel, CBS or Matrixfy or Google Shopping feed format, and then we can easily export or import data. And create rules for product to apply in real time. We can add rules like add a tag on the sales product, hide out of stock product, include vendor name in URL, and publish product that are zero price. and update product from remote feed, automatically sync data from Dropbox, Google Sheet, FTP or web URL. That is so amazing. And easily monitor, edit and user history. You can easily see who made changes and when in details history logs. Monitor feature edit and undo in the feature schedule edit. Track each change made in details edit log. So here that's all of this app, and now we are going to the pricing sector or pricing section to know about the price. In free, you just test this app's p chart, and there is very limited option, like you get only 10 product edit option and not too much option. Unlimited edit once dev store, no limit until launch. So you have to do this on dev store, not in the real life store. And for large business or large store, you can start with basic, advanced or professional based on your business size and product or list inventory. Okay, so you can try it for free. And here is the Hackstrom also very popular for product edit, and they have also free plan, unlimited bulk CBS import, 10 product per tax. And in free you cannot too much things to do with free plan, so you have to go pro plan. And now I'm going to check it picture. You see here is the account details or status, monthly limit, total tax, total edit. You can see everything from here, like start editing, inventory, shipping price, compare price, description, title, tag, product type, vendor, weight, template suffix and ability, variant option. I think they provide much more option than previous one. And you see here is the option, this dashboard. Wow. So in these two app, I recommend this one. But if you want to take advantage of AI, then you can try with Star bulk product editor. So I hope you understand everything about Shopify bulk product editing option and how you can do this. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.